All right, I'm spending the day at Clementon Park here Memorial Day weekend, and guess what? I'm hungry. Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Clementon Park on Memorial Day weekend, people. And it's actually happening pretty good there. The water park's going crazy because it's like 90 degrees. But last year, if you watch our channel, you know that we did a Let's Eat at Clementon Park here. But you know what happened? They got a lot of new stands, like the lemon one here and the ice cream. So we are actually doing our second ever Let's Eat at a park, and it's going to be here at Clementon Park because we want everything to be up to date for you when you come and enjoy this park in 2024. So we're going to go to every stand, we're going to show you the menu, and we're going to have a great time showing you what you can eat when visiting Clementon Park this summer. All right, so here's the entrance to Clementon Park. As soon as you walk in, you're going to see some of the brand new food items that they have here at the park. So as soon as you walk in now, this is a seating area that we're going to be putting in a flat ride, but they couldn't get the parts. But instead of that, you actually now have seating right here, right by the lazy river, which is great. But right here, this is Cool Breezes, hard ice cream, and Dippin' Dots. And they just opened this year. It's brand new, great location here. Now this is where you get the hard ice cream. You can actually go right here. You get the butter pecan, chocolate vanilla, strawberry. The cookie cream is the most interesting one for me. But you also get smoothies, slushies. I had one of the smoothies, very good smoothie, healthy smoothie. It was actually real peaches. You got Oreos and you got Eclair Crunch, all these different types of toppings and stuff. But when you come over here, you also have some cakes. So this is there, and of course you got the water from the park and stuff like that. But you got cakes, and the cakes there are, how much are the cakes there? Cakes are $6, so that's good. But then right next to it is the other thing that's brand new this year, which is the taco stand. So you got Tacos on Main, which is also owned by the same guys, the Cool Breeze people. Now here you get different tacos. You get 3 tacos for $16. You get beef taco, chicken taco, burrito taco. I don't know what that is. If you do know, let me know in the comment section. You get taco bowls, burrito bowls, chicken. You got different sausage, so you get Spanish rice, the whole 9 yards. And both of these are right before you get into the park and right as you leave the park. So, and right by the midway. So if you're definitely hungry, these are the 2 newest stands here at Clementon Park. So definitely make sure you check them out. All right, so now we're back here in Splash World. Right there is Laguna Cuna, but right here is something new. Now they've had the Philadelphia water ice before, but last year this was a taco stand. Well, they got a different taco stand. Now it's barbecue. If you know anything about our channel, we love barbecue. So here they got the barbecue sandwiches here. We got a 16-hour brisket. I guess they time it themselves for $17. Smoked chicken for $15, and the pulled pork for $14. Now you can, they also have water and chips here and all that. But you know what? You got a great view of the largest water park in South Jersey, according to the propaganda. So right here's where you want to go. And you know this is where I'm going to be grabbing lunch because if you know anything about the channel, we love pork barbecue. So make sure you check it out this summer right across from the pool. All right, we're here in the back of the park. Right there is Hellcat. Right there is some great seating. And right there is the greatest log flume. I love this log flume so much. It is the King Neptune's Revenge. But we're here right now because this is their main food court area. It's called Clementon Grill and Fry Company. Fast Track Snacks is gone, so we're gonna go up here real quick. But the first thing I wanna show you as we show this section here is they actually have a Pizza Hut in an amusement park. You never see a Pizza Hut in an amusement park, but here you got one. They got personal pan pizzas. You can get, I believe you get pepperoni, and you can also get cheese. They also have very warm cookies. They sell them as warm cookies, so that's what you can get here. But the main thing here is the Clementon Grill and Fry Company. So the big thing here is they actually expanded their menu, so I want to show you that real quick. I'm gonna make this a little bit darker so you can actually read the menu. But they've got chicken tenders for 14 bucks, cheeseburgers and fries, 14 bucks. They have cheesesteak empanadas with fries for 10. Fry basket, cheese sauce. The big thing right now is the empanadas. Those are brand new, they're $6.50. You also get the buttermilk fried cornbread for 5 bucks. Hot dogs for 6, churros and all that. So that is actually the grill, the Clementon Grill and Fry Company. Now over here they used to have a snack bar. The snack bar is actually gone. So basically that's mostly for supplies. But this is where you want to go right here at the main food court. And what's great about this food court is right there, you can sit back and relax and have some food. So let's see what else they got here at Clementon Park to enjoy food-wise. So we're about halfway done with this video, and if you like what you see so far with our Let's Eat at Clementon Park, let us know. Definitely hit that like and subscribe button. This is the 11th park of the year. We are hitting 60 people, so we got a long way to go, but guess what? The summer just started. This is Memorial Day, so as I get ready to enjoy the water park here today, make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy the second half of Let's Eat at Clementon Park. All right, right on the border between the water park, which is Splash World, and the dry park, which is Clementon. There's the water park. There's Clementon. You actually have two stands here. So right here is the Funnel Cake Factory. Now last year, if you watched our video, this Funnel Cake Factory took over the entire section here. And here you can get funnel cakes for $12, fried dough for $11, but you get all the different toppings and stuff like that. You get the fried Oreos and such. But the new thing for this year is actually their ice cream stand, ice cream shop, which actually the smartest thing they did is the entrance to it is right by the Big Wave Bay, which is the largest water park, wave pool in South Jersey. But here, this is all brand new, and they definitely expand things out here. They have mini corn dogs. They got ice cream floats. Here's their menu, because you know that's what you care about. It's called the Shake, Swirl, and Dogs is the name of the stand. The cones are $7. A waffle cone, because you want a waffle cone, or a cup for $9. Toppings are $2, milkshakes and floats are $9, candy apples are $7, but you get 2 of them for $12. Here you got chocolate apples for $8, cookies, 8 piece for $9, nachos and all that kind of stuff. Got the mozzarella sticks for $9. That seems to be the going rate for nacho sticks here at Clementon Park. But yet again, this is a brand new stand, and it's right on the border of Splash World and Clementon Park. So definitely make sure you stop by here, especially when it's 90 degrees like today. All right, we're back here in front of Big Wave Bay, and you know, we just recently were talking about the water ice and stuff, but you know what, over here by the restrooms, there is actually back here a bar. So there's a little bar back here. Last year we had a good time with this bar, so I want to show you guys everything here and keep this poor woman who's back here by herself occupied. So what is the name of this bar? Big Wave Bar, all right. So they changed it from last year with the decor, but I want to show you guys the bar menu real quick here. Cocktails are $14, which are Bahama Breeze, Tequila Sunrise, Blue Lagoon, margaritas. They got the premium cocktails for $16, adult slushes. So you can find the bars here by looking at all the slushes and all the different wine lays. But here you are, right by the Big Wave pool. You actually have a private bar back here with seating. All right, so we're back here in the middle of the park there, right by the Flying Pharaoh and stuff. And last year, this was actually a pudding palace, but now it's a more general store. It's fresh squeezed lemonade is what they say, but there's actually a lot more than lemonade here, guys. This is called Carnival Treats, and what they've got here, let me line that up a little bit here so you can see it, is they got a couple different things. They have roasted corn for $9. They've got specialty corn for $10. Walking tacos are $13. They had mini corn dogs, 6-piece, mozzarella stick, 5-piece for $9. The mozzarella sticks sound good. Then you got, of course, lemonade. It's the name of the stand. Iced tea, drink teasers, coffee, and all that. So instead of this being a pudding palace like last year, now it's more of a general store, but it's right in the heart of the park. So you definitely want to make sure you check it out when you're here. All right, here with the Let's Eat video is the definition of sadness. Right there is the Arctic Oasis frozen cocktails, which is happiness, not actually sadness. But I want to show you why there is some sadness with that. And also, real quick here, it is a Let's Eat video, but this park is really pretty. It's right on Clementon Lake, and right there is the Endless River water, basically lazy river. Great view of it right here. So, but I'm going to tell you why there's sadness today for me. But right there is the Endless River. But as you come around this way, the reason why I'm sad is this was my favorite bar last year. Out of all the bars I went to, was the Arctic Oasis, but it's closed today, people. And you can always tell the bars because they always have the Lays. So if you see Lays on the stand, that basically means there's alcohol there. Now, the bar's closed, but the other aspect is, right here, is the wing kitchen. That is not closed. So real quick here, what is the wing kitchen? Well, it's a more authentic version, and there's plenty of seating here, by the way. They got a lot of different foods here. And this is right in the heart of the water park, so I'm gonna make that a little bit darker. They got boneless wings and traditional bone wings for $12. They got the chef's chicken sandwich, best bang for your buck, $12. They got sauces. So the sauces are buffalo, sweet heat, honey mustard, barbecue, blue cheese, and ranch. And then they got a fried bucket for $11, hot dogs, all beef for $6, buttermilk fried donuts, which are something new, for $5, and then you got your sauces and stuff. So if you're here at the water park, right in the heart of this water park is literally a wing kitchen. So this is basically a place to go, and you also have a deck up there that you can sit and relax. So pretty much you got two different locations here at Splash World to eat. You got here at the wing kitchen, and then you got the barbecue area by the big wave pool. So let's go see what else is going on with the park. So there you go. We just got done going through all the different food options you have at Clementon Park. So what was your favorite there? Do you like the new barbecue? Do you like the new taco stand? What is your food of choice? Let us know in the comment section. Also, have you been to Clementon Park? If so, let us know your impressions of this park here in the Philadelphia metro area. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you on our next video.